From a technical point of view, what still prevents many plastic products from being recycled efficiently?
The main problem we have with plastic packaging today is mainly about the design, because the plastic packaging are designed in a way that is making sometimes sorting and recycling very complex. So design for recycling is essential to facilitate sorting and recycling operation and to ensure that recycled plastics will be available on the market in good quantity and good quality.
Which design mistakes cause the biggest problems for recyclers?
That's a very good question, because when it comes to the design of the packaging, in particular for plastic packaging, it really depends by the type of pack. For flexibles, I would say the main problems we face today is that often flexible packaging are multi-layer and multimaterial. So the first to go is to reduce the number of layers and to go for more monomaterial solutions. And in particular for functional barriers, to ensure that the functional barriers is compatible with recycling by reducing the amount of polymers that will satisfy the barrier properties of the pack. And for rigids, it depends between polyolefin, HDP, and PP. It could be sometimes the labels or the decorations applied that can prevent the packaging to be sorted.
How can better sorting and washing improve the quality of recyclates?
Sorting and washing are preliminary steps of any plastic recycling process. So it's essential that the packaging will be well sorted, because this will define the purity and amount of good packaging recyclers will get. And the same is for the washing. The washing is an essential steps to remove components or substances that could hamper the recycling process and create issue in the quality of the recyclate, as well as to further purify the stream for impurity also coming from the product leftover.
What technical progress do you see in mechanical recycling today?
Mechanical recycling is advancing quite fast, in particular in Europe, because not only we have the regulation pushing the industry to comply by 2030 with recyclable packaging, recycled content as mandatory in plastic packaging, but also because the food content regulations is creating the opportunity for novel technologies to prepare the feedstock for the food content market for polyolefin as well, for example. So I see a lot of innovation coming on the market, mainly for mechanical recycling, for both rigids polyolefin, PS, PT, and for flexibles as well.
How important are harmonized testing methods for recyclability across Europe?
It is essential to have standardized testing protocols for testing the recyclability of plastic packaging in Europe, because so far we have fragmented rules in the different member states for testing the compatibility of this packaging with recycling. And it's important that these testing protocols will stick with industrial and commercial state-of-the-art technologies in order to offer reliable information to the packaging designers.
What tools does RecyClass provide to advance the recyclability of plastics?
RecyClass offers a comprehensive toolbox to the plastic industry to advance on the recyclability of plastic, both for packaging but also for the automotive and electric appliances. We have testing protocols for all packaging materials, but also for automotive and EEE. We have design for recycling guidelines. We also have a free online tool for assessing and scoring the recyclability of plastic packaging in 3 recyclability classes. We have 4 certification schemes for sorting recycling processes, but also for recyclability and recycled content. And very recently we launched the RecyClass Academy. That is a new initiative to make the industry aware about what's coming next on recyclability and recycled content. So we are offering training courses for the plastic industry in order to understand how the RecyClass methodologies works for recyclability and recycled content, but also to be aware about the impact of these 2 big topics on their journey toward the circularity for plastics.